In this video, we are going to learn about how to create sessions or topics under a particular course. Why is it needed? You might have multiple classes in a particular semester or a trimester. Then what you can do, you might need to share certain kinds of resources, might need to share assignments, and those all are needed to be collated under one place. So a session or a topic is a very intuitive way for students to understand and find material in a single place. So to do that, what you need to do is just navigate to the course where you want to create these topics. So for me, I'll just click over here and I'll go to this test course where I need to create multiple topics. Once you are here, you'll see this particular setting icon. Once you click on it, the very first option which is there is turn editing on. So you need to click on it. So once you'll do that, these two additional options will start appearing apart from these two edit buttons. When you need to create a new topic, you'll click on this add topic. And let's say there are two classes which are there in my entire trimester, or might be even more. So depending on the number of classes or sessions, you can increase or decrease this number. So for now, I'll just create two and I'll click on this add topic. So once you'll do that, it will start appearing over here. So I can even rename this to something else. Let's say I'm calling this session 1. So once I'll do that, I need to press enter on my keyboard. Otherwise the effect will not come. And this one is session 2. So this is how you create a topic. So let's say there's a particular description which you want to share with your class. So what you can do, you can click on this edit and choose this first option as edit topic. And once you are there, you'll find a summary text box and you can fill in the information about anything. So this is the first class for this term. So something like this. So this will start appearing to your students and you can click on save changes to save it and see over here it has started coming. Let's say for now you're just playing around and see whether settings are working or things which you are trying to do on Moodle are working or not, and you do not want this to get displayed to students. So what you can do, you can again go to this edit button and you can choose this option of hide topic. So once you'll do this, this will get hidden from students and you can turn this editing option off.